Hey guys, welcome to Studio 9 and today we will be seeing how to make your videos black and white in Premiere Pro. So I'll be going over two different techniques as to how you can do that. Each technique has a subpart of like specific effects and specific color settings. So now the technique number one will be to add effects. So what we're going to do for now is we're going to move this out of sight. For now we're going to be working on this one clip. And what you're going to do now is you're going to either search up effects here or you're going to go to the effects panel here. I prefer going to the proper effects panel. And then there will be two effects that you will be using, one or the other. So the first effect that you will be using is a simple black and white effect. So I'm just going to type black and then I'm just going to scroll down. Oh, that was a lag. And over here under image control, under video effects, under image control, you see this black and white effect. All you have to do is just drag it and place it on here. See, simple black and white effect. Easy as that. Now we move on to our second effect, not technique, second effect. So you're going to go back up and this time you're going to look for fast color correction. Just going to go and type fast. Yeah, you can see it has already appeared under obsolete and under video effects, that is fast color corrector. So what we'll do is we'll quickly delete this effect. Excuse me. We'll delete this black and white effect and we'll be placing this here. Now I see all of this has appeared. Now to make this black and white, we're just going to go to the saturation option here and we're just going to drag it down to 0. Simple black and white. Same for the previous black and white effect. Same. Now those were the two main effects that we were going to review for technique number one, which is using effects to add the black and white effect. Now we're going to go to our technique number two, which is going to be adding colors or changing the color settings. So you're going to go to your color tab here. I have it right here if you can't find it. So you can just quickly go to Windows and you're going to go to workspace and just find this here, color. So what you're going to do is you're going to go under creative and you're going to look for this look option right here. You can see there's none here right now. So you're going to click on this and you're going to find it. So here I'll be looking at around 9 to 10 different color looks. The proper name for these looks is called LUT, L-U-T, LUTs. So the first three are here under monochrome. So you can see you start with monochrome. You see the first one, monochrome, then the second. First is the monochrome Fuji 250D, then you have the monochrome Kodak 5205, Fuji 3510, and you have this one. So you have these three under the monochrome thing basically. And then you're going to go and look for the noir. So here you can see this is the noir setting you have, and then we have SL Noir HDR, and then you can cycle through all of them and decide the type you want. So maybe I like this, maybe, so I can click that. This is how I'm getting. If I want this, I can do this. I just adds that color setting to your video. See, easy as that. Now you may have noticed at the start of the video I had other clips right here. So I'll just extend this so we can focus mainly on the timeline. So attach, I'll bring all these clips back. I'll also just quickly change the color settings back to normal. So here you have your clip number 1, then here I have my clip number 2, and here I have my clip number 3. So here we're going to assume the scenario that you're working with a video with multiple clips in a sequence in your timeline, and it's going to be very tedious to add the black and white effect to each and every one of them. Now I'm just going to quickly go back to my project, and I'm going to right click here and you're going to go to new item and adjustment layer. So I'm going to leave that setting as it is. I'll just pick this up and I'll drag it here and extend this for the rest of the timeline. So what you can do with adjustment clip is you can add a single effect and that effect will be repeated throughout the time of the clip. So we're going to go back to our effects tab. Now let's add the black and white effect again here. And remember, this time we're adding it to the adjustment layer. So we place it here. So you can see it on the first clip. I'll just place this in fast forward. You can see it's there on the first clip, second clip, and the third clip. Now this exact same thing can be done with the second technique that I showed you, which is to add LUTs. So now you're going to see the monochrome Fuji Eternal. We're going to use that as an example. See, that same effect is added everywhere. So guys, that was it for this video of how to add black and white effects to your videos in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.